Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset IMA Light Honda Insight, updated. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and wait for dash lights to cycle. Use a diagnostic scanner to read and clear codes if available. Otherwise, try a simple ignition cycle, reset by removing the fuse for 10 minutes. Reinstall the fuse, start the car, and verify the IMA light status. Gather your tools and prepare the car in a calm, methodical way. Disconnect accessories and ensure the 12V battery has sufficient charge before starting. Use a multimeter to confirm battery voltage around 12.6 volts and inspect fuses for continuity. If codes are present, note them and consider a scan tool to clear persistent errors. Work in a ventilated area and keep the key sequence handy for reset steps. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation. After working under your dash, your car deserves a fresh scent, so pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting aroma that hides workshop smells. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow these reset steps slowly and double-check each action. Turn ignition to on and watch dash lights, then turn off and disconnect negative battery cable for a short soft reset if needed. For a targeted approach, remove the IMA fuse for 10 minutes and then reinstall it. Reconnect the battery, start the vehicle, and drive normally for a short trip to confirm the IMA light remains off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.